Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll find this lever. This releases the safety that's locking your hood closed. So we'll pull that. And if there's no tension at all here, double check this cable is attached. If it's really loose or not connected, you might need to address that. But we'll go up front now. And you should find that this hood's slightly loose, so we can put our fingers in here. There's a lever right here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift. We'll see this little hydraulics holding this up for us now, which is nice. Here's that lever I was pushing. So double check there's no debris stuck in here, nothing bent or broken. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to help loosen it. That's where it's hooked on to. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment. So if that's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.